Good afternoon all. Respected Patron Dayapuram CT Sir, Sheikh Ansari Foundation Working President Bapuka, Dayapuram Residential School Managing Committee Member and Dayapuram Volunteer Dr. N.P. Ashley, Assistant Professor, St. Stephen's College, Executive Secretary Adil City, Habitat School Vice Principal Suresh Sir, eminent judging committee members, respected students, teachers, representatives from participating schools. I am very happy to stand here before to welcome you all to the closing ceremony of Global Indian Student Digital Festival, which was conducted on 22nd and 23rd December 2023 from Dayapuram campus. On behalf of Dayapuram fraternity, let me extend a sincere thanks to all the participating school, and I really appreciate your involvement and your support for the successful conduct of a global event from our campus. First of all, let me welcome our dear patron, CT Sir, who is the person behind the idea of a digital campus in Dayapuram, to this valedictory session. Next, let me welcome Dr. N.P. Ashley, a volunteer and an academic supporter of Dayapuram. He is an assistant professor, English Department, St. Stephen's College, Delhi. Bapuka is a close associate of Dayapuram. Bapuka is acting president of Sheikh Ansari Foundation, Dayapuram. On behalf of the Dayapuram family, I extend a warm welcome to Bapuka to this closing ceremony. Suresh Sukumar is a member of Dayapuram faculty, and also he is working as Vice Principal, Habitat School, UAE. I am very happy to welcome Suresh Sir to this valedictory session. Adil City, Executive Secretary Al-Islam Charitable Trust is with us today. On behalf of the Dayapuram Residential School, I extend a warm welcome to Adil Sir. It is my privilege to welcome all the representatives from different schools who had actively participated in Global Indian Student Digital Festival. Dayapuram is very happy to welcome you all to this valedictory session. Parents, teachers, non-teaching staff members, representatives of CyberSquare who are giving support to our technical journey, Dayapuram is very happy to invite you all to this event. Once again, on behalf of Dayapuram family, I extend a sincere welcome to you all. Thank you.
I would like to invite everyone's attention onto the screen to watch the highlights of the 2 days Global Indian Students Digital Fest 2023-24. The visuals have captured the essence of innovation, creativity, and collaboration that the young Tuckies have proved. I would like to invite Dr. N.P. Ashley, Assistant Professor at St. Stephen's College, New Delhi, moreover, a volunteer at Dayapuram, to address the gathering.
Good afternoon. After such an energizing 1.5 days and such a beautiful presentation, one doesn't know what to actually say. Quickly, I just have two things to say. One, journeys start way back, a long time ago. Second is no journey gets over. For the first, to say that journeys start way back, I want to think of a bunch of people in the ministry, a bunch of scientists. None of them were computer scientists because computers didn't exist the way we know today, right? In 1955, some people, some young and enthusiastic, dreamy people, getting to know of Alan Turing developing the first computer in London. If you've seen Imitation Game, you know what I mean. But it's a struggle of a lifetime. And it was used in the Second World War. So in 1955, they import the first computer of India to Indian Statistical Institute. 1960, we have our first computer, which is a calculator. Jawaharlal Nehru names it, which is done in Tata Institute of Fundamental Research. And looking through history, you see that what world we live in, what gadgets we use, what kind of possibilities are available to us are all some people's dreams, some people's imaginations. Somebody thought of a world that Hans hadn't started believing, creating. Physicists, mathematicians got together and thought about making lives better, creating worlds that didn't exist. You know, if we are told today that we cannot log in online, we can't go on Gmail, we can't access internet materials, we can't be on Insta, it might really be a problem. This is imagined for the first time in 1983 in a novel written by a novel called Neuromancer, right? William Gibson writes this and he coins the word cyberspace, right, in 1983 sitting in America. In 2023, after so many years, 40 years, right, we are sitting here seeing this amazing explosion, beautiful convergence, synthesis of minds, right? People who were told you could play video games. You could use gadgets, you could do this, that and the other. But then a bunch of people come together and say, why should they be just users? Why can't they be makers of technology? Why, rather than playing video game, which is fun of course, but what's more fun is to actually develop a video game, code it, program it, right? I mean, yes, using an app, Zomato, Swiggy, it's all fun. Uber, it's fun. But what is more exciting is, do we know how to make it? Right? So technology is magical, you know. Technology actually is magical when it's not explained. But when it's explained, it becomes a beautiful thing. You know how it works, right? And a bunch of students, a bunch of teacher mentors, a whole team of people who work for this Digital Fest actually believed in this idea that we come together and imagine. We imagine things. We do things that are unimaginable through imagination. We create worlds. Like I said, there's a whole economy called knowledge economy. It didn't exist in 1950s. It didn't exist in 1970s, 80s even 1990s. But if you look at the Indian history, Indian journey through all of this, you see that the journey started so long ago. We're products of a lot of imagination, dreams and effort, right? So that's a beautiful feeling. And that, I see an amazing sort of culmination of all of that today. And the second thing I want to say is journeys don't end, right? You came together. I know people from different countries, 6, 7, 8 countries came here, 43 schools, right? From different parts of the country. And I was so thrilled when Adil was talking yesterday about RDT school in Anandpur. Are they here? Are the people from RDT here? Or have they left? They've left, yeah. So they're not here, but visually challenged students, auditorily challenged students, and I saw a glimpse of it in the presentation. I was like, my God, the possibilities of technology. How inclusive can we be through technology? How we can reach out to each other better through technology? How does it bring us together? All these inventions cries out for the unity of us all, right? It brings us together. And be inclusive, be egalitarian. Think for everyone, don't think just for oneself, right? And can we have technology not by alone, but for human beings, for every single one, for the last of us, for the least of us, for the lost of us, can we have technology? And that you've all come together here. So many of you, hundreds of you have come together, both as participants and also as viewers. Also as viewers. But your journey doesn't end here. You've got connections, you've got ideas, you've got friends, you've been part of a community of coders. So please take this forward and know that your journey started a long time ago and your journey hasn't ended. It will not end. It is always working towards a better tomorrow, a more inclusive tomorrow, a more egalitarian tomorrow. That is the social understanding of technology, and your skill should be used in such a way. And that actually changes, that beautifies the world, that makes the world a better place, right? That makes our lives not just more convenient, but more humane, more wonderful. So that understanding the past and the future, understanding ourselves as a beautiful intersection, an immaculate moment in the history of things that turn. This moment, I want to congratulate everyone, the students of all schools, students from Dayapuram School who have been part of this, all the teachers of the Computer Science Department, heads of compartments, Principal Jyoti Miss, Festival Director Adil, the whole team of Cyber Square, all of them have come together to create a platform that would allow us to imagine ourselves into tomorrow beautifully. So thank you all. It was extremely energizing, and thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your compliments. It's my pleasure to invite our dear CT sir for the patron's address.
പ്രിയമുള്ള സഹോദരി സഹോദരന്മാരെ, ദയാപുരത്തിൻ്റെ വളരെ ശക്തമായി പ്രവർത്തിക്കുന്ന ദയാപുരം സുഹൃത്തുക്കളെ, രക്ഷിതാക്കളെ, വിദ്യാർത്ഥികളെ, പ്രവർത്തകരെ, ആഷ്ലി സാർ ഇവിടെ വന്ന് സംസാരിക്കുമ്പോൾ ഞാൻ വേറെ ഒരു സ്വപ്ന ലോകത്തായിരുന്നു. ഈ വിഷയമായിട്ടൊന്നും ഒരു ബന്ധമില്ലാത്ത കാര്യം. അത് 41 കൊല്ലം മുമ്പ് ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു ആലോചന വന്നപ്പോൾ ഒരു സ്ഥാപനത്തെ സംബന്ധിച്ചുള്ള സ്വപ്നം, തീർത്തും അവ്യക്തമായൊരു സ്വപ്നം കണ്ട നിമിഷത്തിൽ അന്നെൻ്റെ ഉറ്റ സുഹൃത്തായിരുന്ന മരക്കാരൻ്റെ മോട്ടോർ സൈക്കിളിൽ കയറി 1-2-3 സ്ഥലങ്ങൾ പോയി നോക്കി. ഇവിടെ വന്ന് ഈ ഗേറ്റിൻ്റെ അടച്ചിട്ട ആൾപ്പാർപ്പില്ലാത്ത 1.5 ആൾ ഉയരത്തിൽ പുല്ല് വളർന്നു നിൽക്കുന്ന ഒരു ഭൂമിയായിരുന്നു ഇത്. ഈ ഗേറ്റിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിലൂടെ നോക്കി ഞാൻ അദ്ദേഹത്തോട് പറഞ്ഞു, ഇതാണ് നാം അന്വേഷിച്ച് നടക്കുന്ന മണ്ണ് എന്ന്. വിഷയമായിട്ടൊന്നൊരു ബന്ധമില്ല. ഒരു വൈകാരികമായ ഒരു പശ്ചാത്തലം ആഷ്ലി സാറ് സംസാരിക്കുമ്പോൾ എൻ്റെ മനസ്സ് ഓടിയ ഒരു പശ്ചാത്തലം നിങ്ങളുടെ മുന്നിൽ പറയാം. ഇതാണ് നമ്മുടെ മണ്ണ് എന്ന് പറയും. അങ്ങനെ ഇതിനു വേണ്ടിയുള്ളൊരു ശ്രമം നടത്തുകയും ചെയ്തു. ആ മണ്ണാണ് ഇന്നിപ്പോൾ ഏറ്റവും വലിയ ലോകത്ത് തന്നെ വളരെ വലിയ വിപ്ലവം നടന്നുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന പുതിയ ഒരു വൈജ്ഞാനിക വിദ്യാഭ്യാസ മാതൃക ലോകം കണ്ടുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുമ്പോൾ അത് ഇവിടെ പകർക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി നാം ശ്രമിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുമ്പോൾ ഈ രണ്ട് സമയത്തെ സംബന്ധിച്ചുള്ള ഒരു താരതമ്യമായിരുന്നു എൻ്റെ മുമ്പിലുള്ളത്. അതുകൊണ്ട് ഈ മണ്ണ്, ദയാപുരത്തിൻ്റെ മണ്ണ്, ദയാപുരം എന്ന് പിന്നെ നമ്മൾ പേരിട്ടതാണ്, ദയാപുരത്തിൻ്റെ മണ്ണിൻ്റെ ശക്തി കൊണ്ട് തന്നെ ദയാപുരത്തിൻ്റെ മണ്ണിൽ വളരുന്ന, മുളച്ചു പൊങ്ങുന്ന എല്ലാ ജീവിതങ്ങളും ഫലവത്താകും. അത് വളരെ നാട്ടിന് പ്രയോജനപ്രദമാവും. അതിൻ്റെ ഭാവിയിൽ ഒരു നിലക്കും ആശങ്ക വേണ്ട എന്ന ആരോ ഒരാൾ എൻ്റെ കാതിൽ പറയുന്നത് പോലെ ഈ വാക്കുകൾ ഞാൻ നിങ്ങളിലേക്ക് പകരുന്നു. ദയാപുരത്തിന് വേണ്ടി നിങ്ങളുടെ ജീവിതം ദയാപുരത്തിന് വേണ്ടി അർപ്പിക്കപ്പെടുന്ന രീതിയിൽ നിങ്ങൾ മനുഷ്യവർഗത്തിന്, വിശിഷ്യ കേരളീയ സംസ്കാരത്തിനും ഇന്ത്യൻ ജീവിതത്തിനും ലോകത്തെ മനുഷ്യത്വത്തിൻ്റെ മാർഗദർശകമായ ഒരു വ്യക്തിത്വത്തിനും വേണ്ടി ചെലവഴിക്കപ്പെടുന്ന വിദ്യാർത്ഥികളാവും, അതിൻ്റെ പ്രവർത്തകരാവും, അതിൻ്റെ രക്ഷിതാക്കളാവും, അതിൻ്റെ അധ്യാപകരാവും ആവട്ടെ എന്ന പ്രാർത്ഥന മാത്രം പ്രാർത്ഥിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് ഞാൻ അവസാനിപ്പിക്കും.
Thank you, sir. We extend our wholehearted thanks to our judges for the day and express our gratitude and appreciation by presenting a memento to our judges. Let me invite Adil sir, Director, Global Indian Student Digital Fest, to hand over the mementos. Let me call upon the judges now. Mr. Shah Hussain, co-founder and COO, Build Patch Technology Solutions and Idea Grant winner, Kerala Startup Mission. He was our judge for Category 2 Tech Talk presentations. I request Mr. Shah Hussain to come forward. Thank you, Mr. Shahs. Mr. Sufed PP, Lead Software Engineer, Kennedy's IQ, was a judge for Category 1 presentations. Thank you, Mr. Sufed. Mr. Muhammad Jasir KP, Senior Software Engineer, you got a gift, judge for Category 1 presentations. Thank you, Mr. Muhammad Jasir. Ms. Fasna KK, Director of Operations, IOCOD Infotech Private Limited, Judge of Category 2 Tech Talk presentations. Thank you, Ms. Fasna. Mr. Arun Chandu, Film Director, Judge of Teachers Tech Talk Competition. Thank you, Mr. Arun. Mr. Jyotiradityan, Product Engineer, Judge of Teachers Tech Talk Competition. Thank you, Mr. Jyotiradityan. Thank you, Adil sir.
It does not matter that you win or lose. All that matters is the courage to participate. Hats off to all the participants of all events held together. Since it's a competition, we have to honor the best in each item. So it's time to announce the prize winners in each category and in each item of digital prowess. Category 1, website, web, mobile apps. First prize goes to Surya Krishna N. Nair and Mohammad Anas MK from Alfonsa English Medium School. May I invite CT Sir, our patron, to honor the winners. Our principal is accompanying him. Congratulations. Second place goes to the participants from Aura Global Schools, Perintalmanna, Riyan Firoz and Avani K. Saji. Third place is shared by two schools, Blooming Buds Badania English School. The participants are Navanita Nair and Aditev CP. Navanita Nair and Aditev CP. Okay. Then the Vyasa Vidyapidam participants are Rishikesh A and Advait P. Narayan. They will be honored by our patron, CT Sir. Thank you, sir, and thank you, ma'am. Now, moving on to the Category 2 prize winners. First place goes to Holy Grace Academy. The participants are Naizan Ali Najat and Hari Govind. And they will be honored by Baputika, Working President Sheikh Ansari Foundation. Our own Baputika. Second place goes to Nam HSS Peringatur. The participant Nihal SJ, Aisha KM. Nihal SJ and Aisha KM. Then third place goes to Riza Mohammed T and Rehan Mohammed of Peace Kottakkal. Yes, robotics. Category 1. The participant from Holy Grace Academy is in the first position, Kathleen Mary Jizan. Second place goes to Swali TK of Dayapuram Residential School. Third place goes to Atul Matthew Joseph of Alfonsa English Medium School. Category 2, the first position is bagged by Benchmark International Tirut student participant Mohammad Mohsin UA. Second place goes to Shanib U and Mohammad Fasal Rabi of Peace Kottakkal. Third place goes to Mohammad Salih PZ of Sacred Heart Senior Secondary School. Thank you, Mr. PK Ahmad Kutib, whom we lovingly address as Baputika. Category 1 Tech Talk. The first place goes to Anjal Mushir of Peace Kottakkal. May I invite Mr. Suresh, Vice Principal Habitat Schools, to honor them. Second place goes to Archana Raju of Habitat, Aljaf. Third place is shared by two, Fatima Haya TK of Apex International School and Aima Arafat of Hilal Public School. In category 2, International Indian School Ajman participant Zahra Tashreen is in the first place. Second place goes to Trishna Nanda of Dayapuram Residential School. Third place goes to Ishara Siddiq of Peace Kottakkal. Thank you, sir.
Along with competitions for students, we had organized certain competitions for teachers as well. Because in a world of tech natives, the guiding stars, the teachers have a bigger role of being competitive in the same world. In order to honor the winners, let me invite our dear Principal Jyoti ma'am onto the stage.
Programming competition. First place goes to Ashwati Mol of Chinmaya Vidyalaya. Second place goes to Suhail MV of Peace International School. And third place goes to Wadi Rahma's participant Teslina P. And now moving on to the Tech Talk competition. First place goes to Reema Kareem of Dayapuram Residential School. Second place goes to Umapriya, RP Umapriya of Dayapuram Residential School. Third place goes to Sumaya Begum BKP of Segrarat Senior Secondary School. RP Umapriya is receiving and the honor from our principal Jyoti ma'am. Third place goes to Sumaya Begum BKP of Segrarat Senior Secondary School. Thank you, ma'am, and congratulations to the winners. Miss Teslina P of Wadi Rahma English School, Kodiyatur, is in the third position for programming competition. She will receive the prize from our principal Jyoti ma'am. Next up, Nihal SJ and Aisha KM of NAM HSS Peringatur will receive the second prize from category 2 from our principal. The item is website. नहीं Thank you, ma'am. To propose the vote of thanks, I invite Mrs. Neeta Davis, head of the compartment 4.
Good afternoon, everyone. Global Indian Student Digital Fest, as many have already said, has become a chance for us to connect. So, on this joyous occasion, with great pleasure, as a proud representative of Dayapuram, I am standing here to give a word of thanks. GISDF, as we call it, has become possible only because of the collective effort of a vast group of people, led by Adil sir, our principal Mrs. Jyoti P, school management. A word of thanks to all of these. Let me begin by expressing my gratitude to them. Next, let me thank our patron CT sir, Trust Chairman Bashir sir, and all our well-wishers for their blessings and guidance. From the moment of inception of the idea of introducing coding in curriculum years back to this moment, CyberSquare has been with us in each step. Shoulder to shoulder with them, our computer science department. A big thank you for making this possible. A note of thanks to the school authorities, teachers, and student participants from outside, as well as the teachers and students of Dayapuram. The technicians team and other non-teaching staff had tiring though exciting days. Last, let me thank the parents who stood with us as staunch support. Let me conclude by saying that though GISDF is posing a bigger challenge for us next year, with all your support out there, we will be able to scale it and set tougher challenges to all out there in the years to come. Thank you.